You know what I'm saying? And like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. Like, I may not say the right things, and I ain't like I told him I need his help. I'm asking you for your help. You know what I'm saying? I
See,
got
here's the thing. I don't know if probation is appropriate for you, and let me just tell you why. Because it appears that you have learned nothing.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
All right, J. McCormick Johnson Timothy.
You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me?
All right, he also has a motion to revoke.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just 1 second. Excuse me, I need to motion to revoke on Johnson. Are y'all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Yes, Your Honor. We're going open to the court.
All right, have you all done a trial court certification?
Oh, I did not do that.
All right, if you'll do that, please. Oh, I checked the boxes.
I was gonna get the clause number, Judge.
Oh, I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Court is calling 2024 CR 3084, State versus Timothy J. McCormick Johnson. Can I have parties announced?
Jorge Canales for defense.
And are you Mr. McCormick Johnson?
yes, man.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Oh, yes, man.
Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, man.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1 on or about the 9th of July 2025 and bear common practice the defendants J. McCormick Johnson committed the offense of evading arrest or detention with previous conviction in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Pretty true.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison
Yes, ma'am.
and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
The motion removed the defendant's community supervision and reform his judgment and sentence to 7 years ago.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to consider continuing Mr. Johnson in this case. This is his first MTR. I know it's his second. The first one that he was allegedly breaking was, I believe the court heard this argument before. He was in TDC. He was sent to TDC when he was supposed to be reporting to probation, so he could not report. So in effect, it's his first MTR. He was put on ISF. He placed him on ISF, and
But no, he had I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out, because he had a previous motion to revoke on December 4th, 2024, and it was for a violation of condition number 1. I don't recall what that condition number 1 was, but the court denied the motion, altered and amended his conditions to include state ISF.
that's correct.
So this is his second motion to revoke.
And my first the first time they tried to give me the violation.
Oh, you want to raise your right hand if you wish to
Yes,
speak?
ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Timothy Johnson, J. McCormick Johnson.
All right. Yes, what would you like to say?
The day that I signed on probation, it was I brought it to the attention that I was on parole too, and the day that I signed on probation, I got a violated and revoked from probation, so I got sent back to TDC. So therefore, I wasn't able to report for probation.
No, here's the thing. I'm not even focusing on the failure to report
Mhm.
because the state has waived that. But your previous, it's been brought to the court's attention. His previous motion to revoke from December, that was a violation of condition number one, it was for evading arrest. And so now we're back here.
Oh, that's from my first,
Mm-hmm. And on
Okay.
that one, when you pled true to that, what the court did was the court denied the motion to revoke and the court altered and amended your conditions. And now you're back here for another evading.
I didn't even know I had the first evading arrest. I never,
No, I mean, you played true to it.
I did.
Mm-hmm.
I
And that
don't-
was in October.
I don't remember that, Judge. So I mean, I apologize. I really don't.
No. I mean, so, and that happened, that evading was alleged, well, I shouldn't say alleged anymore because you played true to it. But that was committed on or about September 27, 2024. So you had that evading case. And then now we're back here for another evading case.
Yeah, the first time I remember this one, I remember and it was a bad judgment call on my day. Even officer said that I should have just stopped. I probably got a ticket, but I assumed that a warrant because I missed a house visit. You know what I'm saying? And I missed a house visit probably because of work on that. You know what I'm saying? And like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. Like, I may not say the right things, and I ain't like I told him I need his help. I'm asking you for your help. You know what I'm saying? I
See,
got,
here's the thing. I don't know if probation is appropriate for you. And let me just tell you why. Because it appears that you have learned nothing. And let me tell you the reason why I say that. Because you were previously here before for a violation of condition one, which was evading the police, right? And then you were continued. And now you're not even thinking, you're still evading the police.
no, I not thought I was evading the police. Actually, I am thinking I got a job. I got bills out there in my name. I'm doing good. I got a good probation officer. I just haven't had time to really work with him, man. You know what I'm saying?
Now, the problem is you picked up a new offense and this is the second
No, I
time.
did. No, I did. And the first time I don't remember, so that I apologize. Like, I
Mhm.
mean, there ain't no excuse. That's why I admitted to. There ain't no excuse. I made a bad decision. I'm not on. I'm on. Like I went to ISF because I'm on. I'm on my meds. I got meds. I was on my meds in the world. But I'm doing good. Like I'm sober. Like I ain't got no drug problems, and
Mhm.
I'm doing good, Judge. I got a job. I got electricity and water bill in my name. I got a new residence I'm staying at. I'm not at Haven Hope for Hope no more. I'm actually doing good and got good things going for myself. I just made a bad judgment call on that day. I was probably high that day. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm sitting there, I asked the judge for help, and you offered me 2 years last time, or to go with an agreement on the stay in probation. 2 years would have been a blessing to anyone to take. But I
Mhm.
chose the probation because it's entitled to myself, and I believe I could do it.
But see, here's the thing, you chose the probation, but you're still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not doing
problem.
the same thing. I just made a bad call and made a bad decision on the same day, and I'm not trying to debate with you. Cause y'all understand like stuff that I don't, and I can only learn from y'all and others that are in a better position than I am out there in the world. You know what I'm saying? I got a good support system out there. I got my cousin, my boss. I'm in a new relationship. I got things I can lose now. And not just that, my own life is in your hands.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? And I understand that. I know I made it. No, I made it. No, I made a mistake.
Just one second. All right. So any questions, defense or state?
No, Your Honor.
Well, here's the thing, we don't shout in court, right?
Right.
You gotta be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other. All right. So, states you're recommending revocation?
Yes, sir. Based on the be true and what's reflected in the court's finding.
All right. Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So with regards to the court summary, the probation is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So I'm going to grant the motion. I'm finding violation of condition number one true, and the court will revoke. State, what are you asking for time?
And we're asking to reform the judgment and we're.
Defense?
But we'd ask you to consider 4 years, Judge. This is Mr. Johnson is very sorry for breaking the conditions again. We'd ask you to consider 4 years.
May I say something?
Yes.
I understand I just left ISF. I wouldn't have no problem going to there or any other program, because it's only gonna help me better myself, man. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of programs. It's an easy way out for me to go to if I get in time. And then it's not just that, like probably, like I said, I lose my job, my bills, it affects my cousin because the bills are in his residence, they're in my name, so, and I'm taking care of them. Um, so I wouldn't have no problem going to another program, DDRS, SATF, or ISF, again, because I know that they got cognitive and also got a substance abuse side. And I went to the substance abuse side the first time. I didn't go to the cognitive side the second time, so I don't know if that will be a possibility for me.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to give you credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed, and credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the following persons. Community. There's to be no residing in households with minors, and the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, Mr. Vargas, come on down.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
All right, so what is happening?
Well, Judge, we had a motion to revoke his probation and it was denied. But he was sentenced to 180 days in Bear County Jail,
Mhm.
day for day, and then also go to safety.
Mhm.
He's been there 45 days and he's considering taking a plea offer. Well, he could do either probation, they're offering probation. But if he does that, he has to wait for beds over in safety.
Mhm.
And he's a father of 5 children and a wife that is having a hard time.
Mhm.
And we want to see if the court can offer us some suggestion as to maybe staff evaluation, because I think that this time in jail has been an eye-opening experience for him.
I don't think so. And let me just tell you the reason why. You're on probation for DWI
Mhm.
and you picked up a new DWI. So you're going into inpatient treatment. Now, the only other suggestion I can make, if he wants, he can refuse inpatient treatment. They'll file a motion to revoke, and then we can hear that.
Well, it's just, I mean, he doesn't mind getting the treatment. But I think the court can get a better handle if there's some type of evaluation on,
No, he needs to be in inpatient treatment.
but he's been waiting, and even after he does the time, he's got to wait. Some people have waited 4 months.
I mean, we'll see where we are. But the problem is you're on probation for a 3rd-degree felony, and that's a DWI. And then you pick up another DWI.
Yes.
It seems to the court that you need inpatient treatment because there's nothing working.
And he wouldn't mind that, but the thing is the waiting.
Well, I mean, I understand what you're saying, but he's in jail now waiting because there was an agreement. He has 180 days as a condition of probation. So once that's satisfied, then he'll go to inpatient treatment.
But he has to wait and no telling how long. And so I don't know what, can we get us a reset so that he can consider the options?
Oh, sure. But I will tell you this, if we put a reset in there, if a bed becomes available, they're not going to take him because he has a reset.
They
So,
won't. Exactly.
If you want to, you can just, when you think time has lapsed, you can just come in and ask for it to be placed on the docket.
But
And,
we have to wait the 180 days,
mhm,
even though he says that they're giving him 2-for-1, but
mhm. All righty. Okay,
okay.
all right.
Well, then I'll come back and talk to them when 180 days.
Yes,
And then we'll decide what to do.
yes.
Okay,
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
counsel.
Rob. thank you.
Thank you.
Truths unravel and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.